All right, everyone. So I'm excited to announce that Big Will Dog 82 in the Soil and me are going to rerun the Garlic Challenge from 2025 into 2026 with one specific addition group to the challenges. Any ideas what it could be? All right, y'all. Sit back, relax, grab your coffee. Let's do this. So why are we announcing this now when we just finished the Garlic Challenge 2025? Well, real simple, y'all. Garlic takes 9 months to grow. So to announce the challenge now just makes sense so you can be prepared to enter the challenge here in 9 months. Now the beautiful thing about this is garlic does take 9 months to grow, but we're basically 11 months out from the deadline, which will be August 15th of 2026. That'll be the deadline for the Garlic Challenge, August 15th of 2026. Now it's only the end of September, so if you don't already have your garlic going, that's fine, because I haven't planted mine yet either, but I will be in the next day or two. Now, if you've already planted your garlic, again, that's fine. It's just at the end of the year, whenever you harvest your garlic and you're ready to submit your garlic into the different categories of the challenge, you're going to type in this new code for everything to do with this challenge. You're going to type in hashtag garlic 2026. That's it. We don't need garlic challenge or anything else. Just hashtag garlic 2026. That has to be in the title of every video, whether it's a short or long form video on YouTube. That has to be in the title. The reason for that is that when we type that into YouTube, that is how we can all search and see all the different submissions for this specific challenge. So very important that that is in the title of every single video that is posted. Now we're going to go ahead and keep the categories the same. And what are the categories? Well, the first category is the single heaviest bulb. Now, y'all, this is a bulb right here. This is a clove. Okay, we don't care about the cloves. We're talking specifically bulbs, the whole bulb. So, first category, the single heaviest bulb. And then the second category is the 5 heaviest bulbs with the combined weight. Now, exactly how this is harvested is basically how we expect it to be harvested here toward the end of the challenge. You're going to cut the roots off, then you're going to come in with your fingers right here where the stalk is, pinch them and cut it right there. So this will be a processed bulb that will be weighed and then submitted by you for the challenge. Again, bulb, not clove. Totally talking about bulbs here. Now for submission down the road, even though we'll go over this again later, 9 months from now, you're going to make sure there's no dirt and mud and all that caked on. These properly processed the right way, like I just showed, and then you're going to videotape it. Record it. Your face does not have to be in the video, y'all. If you don't want to be in the video, don't be in the video. That's fine. We totally get it. Not everybody likes being in front of the camera. I get it. But you're going to have to show us you harvesting the garlic out of the ground, cleaning it a little bit, processing it the right way, and then weighing it. And that way it's just fair for everybody. Now, we have decided to add a third category to the challenge. And that is going to be the green stalk category. We are going to open up a category for specifically growing garlic in a green stalk. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one clove, now this one is the clove, in 1, 2, 7, 8 of these tiers for the green stalk. And then I'm going to grow the heaviest bulb out of the green stalk and submit that bulb for that specific category. So green stalk is in play, y'all. Green stalk is in play. If you want to save some money on getting a green stalk, if you don't already have one, check out the description down below. I've got the link down below, greenstockgarden.com, plus a discount code to type in at the end of your order. Save yourself, I believe it's $10 on anything over $75. So save yourself some money, get yourself a Greenstock, and join in on this competition also. Big Will and I were talking, and I know Greenstocks can be a little expensive for, you know, people on a strict budget and on everything. We get that. So if you have another vertical planter type thing, you can also enter this category that way also. So those are the rules for the challenge for 2026. Now, I'm not planting my garlic just yet. I'm still waiting on the garlic bulbs that I ordered to come in. One thing to remember, there is no elephant garlic allowed in this challenge. Main reason for that is if everybody grows regular garlic, and then we have 7 people that grow elephant garlic, the only people they're going to place are the elephant garlic growers. So no elephant garlic, but all other garlics are fine. Go for it, have some fun, plant away. Now, one thing to keep in mind, y'all, if you're new to planting garlic, make sure you know what zone you're in, so you are getting a zone tolerant garlic for your zone. If you're not sure of what zone you're in, I'm going to put a link down below for you to type in, real simple, type in your zip code, it'll tell you your zone. Then you can go into Google, find garlic varieties that are perfect for your zone. Basically, if you're in the north, you're going to need a hardneck garlic to deal with your all's winters up there. If you're down here in the south, you basically need a softneck garlic. Just make sure that you're Googling the garlic variety that you are specifically wanting to order. Again, no elephant garlic. And then why don't I just go over planting garlic really quick, even though if you really want an in-depth video on planting garlic, check out this one right here that I've made. Very simple. Garlic, from everything I've ever done here, and this will be my 6th year planting garlic, you want to go about 1 inch into the soil. Now if you're up north for hardnecks, I believe you need 2 inches down into the soil. Verify that in your zone. I am not from the north. I'm down here in zone 9B, Spring, Texas, and I just do soft necks down here, y'all. So for me, I plant 1 inch into the ground with a clove. Make sure you leave the skin on when you're planting your garlic. You do not want to take the skin off of the clove like you would if you're processing it to use it, you know, for spaghetti sauce or something. Make sure the skin is left on. When you plant your garlic, you want to make sure that the pointy side is to the sky. You do not want to plant your garlic upside down. That would be not good. And think about it like this. Your roots are going to grow out of the bulb like this, right? So you want the flat side down so the roots grow down, and then the pointy sides point to the sky and grow that way. Y'all, after that, cover them up. For me, what I like to do is as soon as they start to break the surface for about 2 inches or so, then I'll put a layer of mulch over top and then just keep them watered, y'all. And that's it. Then we sit back and just wait the 9 months, and before you know it, y'all, we're gonna be harvesting, and someone out there is going to win the #garlic 2026 challenge. So hopefully everyone watching this will join the challenge this year, this coming year, and someone out there is going to be the big winner, just like we had a lot of winners this year. But we had one main winner that won hands down across the board, and that was Joe Rodriguez. Putting his link down below. That dude had some craziness in his soil and grew some monster garlics. And maybe in 2026, that will be you. Also, y'all, I'm really excited to have the Greenstock addition into this competition. I love vertical growing. If you can't tell, I love growing up, especially if you have a small space. Now look, this is a competition that you can do, or a challenge that you can do if you have a small space. You can do a small space gardening with the Greenstock, or just any kind of small planter that you might have for, say, if you live in an apartment on your patio. You can still enter this challenge. You just have to plant your garlic. All right, everyone, so that's the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you plan on joining the challenge here in the next coming year. Get your garlic planted, have some fun with it, and just join this amazing community of like-minded gardeners across YouTube that like to just kind of push each other, encourage each other, and more importantly, support each other. Everyone, take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. I truly hope everyone watching this video right here and Big Will Dog 82 in the Soils announcement video are going to join this challenge. And until the next time, we will both talk to y'all again real soon.